here come the gates, and here comes Amtrak 238. Empire Service southbound led by Amtrak 700, a GE P32 ACDM. Appreciate the support, and don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And right about there is where the train notches up to get to high speed. And here comes Amtrak 281, the northbound Empire Service, led by Amtrak 93, a GE P42 DC, with a pretty cool sounding K5LA horn. That's going to do it for this episode. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.